$30,000 per month selling clip art? You gotta be kidding me, right? I can make clip art, and you can make clip art too. Let's get AI to do 90% of the work for us, and I'll show you 6 digital products that you can sell online. One of them is making up to $40,576 per month. Take a look at this Etsy store. With over 720,000 sales, they sell clip art and graphics. Balloons, animals, flowers, food, basically anything you can think of. They've made over $30,000 every month. I'm not gonna lie, I thought that clip art died with dial-up internet. To know that people are making this much money selling it blows my mind. So using AI, we'll get a piece of the pie even with no design skills. Let's use ChatGPT to generate some ideas. I'll type, give me 20 ideas for food clip art. Now ChatGPT has given us a list. Tacos are awesome, but I'm a sucker for chocolate, so let's go with chocolate birthday cake. Now we'll use AI to create the art. Midjourney creates custom art from simple text prompts. Check this thing out. Honestly, it blows my mind. I'll type my command in Midjourney. Now it's given us 4 illustrations to choose from. If you don't like any of these, simply click reroll. It'll generate 4 new designs for you. Once you have a design you like, you need to upscale it. These buttons U1 through to U4 correspond to the images. I like design 2, so I'll click U2 to upscale it. Download the image by clicking open in browser. Then you can right click and save the high-res version of the image. Now, when people purchase your images, they need a transparent background. This will allow them to use your clip art any way they want. Removing the background is simple. Google Adobe Background Remover. Adobe Express Background Remover does an amazing job of removing the background for free. Upload your photo, then drag your image in. Now you have some great clip art that's ready to be sold. Now hit the like button and let's jump to the next idea. There's around 40 million weddings in the world each year, and an average American will spend $30,000 on their wedding. It's an industry that's not going away anytime soon, and one worth cashing in on. With 340,000 sales, this Etsy store has already made $3.4 million by selling downloadable wedding invitations and templates. Using Midjourney and Canva, these are shockingly easy to create. I'll ask Midjourney to generate us a minimalist wedding invitation template. I ran the command a few times, and here are some of the results. Now, in order for buyers to use them, we need to remove this funky text and make it customizable. So let's bring the image into Photopea, which is totally free. Use the lasso select tool and select the text. Then click edit, fill, and change it from foreground to content aware. Now take this image into Canva. Add text boxes and save it as a template. That way your customers can personalize their text using Canva. Now you will need Canva Pro to give customers access to these templates, and that'll cost you $12.99 per month. Now this next idea is something that I would never think about, and that is selling product mockups. Almost every seller online uses mockups to make their products more appealing to buyers. Take a look at this Etsy listing as an example. So they're selling a digital download of floral art. But the seller doesn't just show you a photo of the artwork, they show you what it would look like framed and on a wall. This is a product mockup. Sellers on major platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and eBay all use product mockups, so you know the market is huge. This store, Ratty Tank, has sold around 95,000 mockups and made around $200,000. And this store has made $1.45 million selling mockups. So once again, let's grab a piece of this pie by using Midjourney. I'll type my command, and here's our image. Now you have a JPEG that's ready to sell. When a customer buys this mockup from you, they lay their artwork on top and display it on their store. This is what the mockup would look like once I add art to it. Now this next side hustle used to require skill, but thanks to AI, you just became an artist. This store makes around $25,000 per month selling printable art. They've only been operating for 3 years and have made almost $1 million. So let's ask Midjourney to create a soft watercolor painting of a baby deer. I like number 1, so I'll upscale it. To sell art, you want the highest resolution image possible. So click Beta Upscale Redo, and this will give you a larger image. Now that we have our image, let's increase the resolution even further. This way customers can print your art large enough to hang on walls. You can do this with AI Image Enlarger. I used it to upscale the deer and have a file that can be printed around 1 meter wide at 300 dpi. Now upload it and sell it. Now this next idea could seem a little boring, but it's highly profitable. Thank you cards, business cards, gift cards. Most businesses use at least one of these, and stores like this one have discovered just how profitable business stationery templates can be. Now for this idea, we're using Midjourney to create the designs for us. I ran the command a few times, and here's some of the ideas that it came up with. Now use Canva to recreate the designs using text boxes and graphics. Save your design as a template. When someone makes a purchase from you, you send them the link to the template. They log in and can customize their text without requiring any graphic design software. Now, in order to send buyers to your template, you will need Canva Pro. This will cost you $12.99 per month. It's not difficult, but does take a little bit more work than the next idea. Now, I think I've saved the best till last. This product has made one seller an estimated $5.9 million. That's $40,576 US each month. It's called digital paper. So, what is digital paper? It's patterns, gradients, and graphics that people buy as digital files for printing or digital use. This particular store makes journal kits, which are packs that feature a number of different digital paper designs. Let's create something like this digital paper, featuring steampunk gears. Once again, Midjourney will do the heavy lifting for us. I've given it the following command. Now notice how I've added tile and V5 at the end. This creates a seamless pattern. Take the file into Photopea, which is completely free. Press Command A to select all. Now click Edit, Define New, Pattern. And now you have a repeating pattern that you can scale as large as you want. One of the most appealing things about all these side hustles is that the running costs are extremely low. A 7 to 10% profit margin is considered healthy for most small businesses. With these side hustles, I would expect you to be making somewhere around 90% profit. Here's a breakdown of costs involved. You can use this to help you get a better idea of how much money you might make. So ChatGPT is free. That's unlimited ideas and it won't cost you a thing. Midjourney will cost you $10 per month. This allows you to use the images you generate for commercial purposes. You can do most of these side hustles using the free version of Canva. But in order to sell links to templates, you will need Canva Pro. This will cost you $12.99 per month. Photopea is 100% free, so no need to buy Photoshop. If you do want to sell printable wall art, you will need a way to enlarge images. AI Image Enlarger will cost you $9 per month. Other than that, your main expense will be Etsy fees. They charge 20 cents for each listing you create. They also charge a transaction fee and a payment processing fee. So expect them to take around 10% or so on each sale you make. And of course, you're not limited to selling on Etsy. There's plenty of platforms out there that will allow you to sell digital products. So do some research and find one that operates in your location and that makes sense for you. Whether you like it or not, AI is here to stay. This is your opportunity to become an early adopter and simplify the way you work. Now like and subscribe and get started making money with AI. Check out this video for more money making ideas. Catch you next time.